The K1 Max Graphite plate and bed heater upgrade came in very secure packaging with a fully taped outer box, rubber corners, and 100% of the volume filled with foam to protect the contents from damage. The heater has clear instructions for correctly wiring it for your country's voltage, and all wires are included. There are clean cutouts for the screws, and it's backed with quality 3M adhesive. The bag contains yellow leveling springs, M4 countersunk screws, M4 nuts, and spade connectors. Underneath the heater, we have a new magnetic sheet. It has clean cutouts for the alignment screws. Under that is another thick piece of foam to protect the graphite plate. It's wrapped and the holes are machined very cleanly, with holes for both the countersunk screws and the alignment screws. The plate is nearly 3 times thicker than the original, coming in at 8mm compared to the flimsy stock 3mm plate. The K1 Max version does not come with a solid-state relay because it already has one. If you order a kit for the other K1 series machines, a solid-state relay will be included.